Right, look at that theater. I am back in Charlottesville with my friend Jen.
Hello.
And we have all sorts of plans over the next few days that involve backpacking and hiking, and we don't even know how it's going to turn out. So.
That's right. That's right. We'll see. I'm excited.
All right, this is a monument to the number 11. I think. I might be making that up. So this is where things went down a few years back at the Unite the Right rally. Right now, you would never know that there used to be statues around here. Good morning, it's day 63. And we are very near Rockfish Gap. Got my friend shuttling me around.
Good morning.
Good morning. And so we just pulled over seeing the sunrise. So that way is Shenandoah National Park, which I'll be entering tomorrow. But today I'm going back to Reed's Gap and I'm gonna hike to here. Oh, we have the music and we have the smell of weed. All coming from the same spot. So here's a sign about the stone walls that you see walking along, and it's saying that they are hog walls. Getting the rocks out of fields, but also feral hogs, that make their way into fields. They're built to prevent them from climbing over. And still on our way up to Reed's Gap. This is just an overlook off to the west. We'll see you at Humpback Rocks for lunch.
Awesome.
All right. In her little yellow car. I am back after spring break. A couple of things of note is winter is back as well. It's 23 degrees out and I've been hiking for about 45 minutes and my fingers are still a bit numb. Also, after a few days of not hiking, I noticed that at night my calves would cramp up, and I'm not sure exactly what's going on there, but I'm stretching them out now, and hopefully a good 19.5 mile day will feel good on the legs. On this campaign, it's a long one, so in my mind I have planned things out all the way to Harper's Ferry, and to do that I will need to average 20 miles per day for 9 days. So that's the plan. And the first day today is a slack packing day, so I'll be in tonight indoors. And I've got, like I always do, I've got all my warm weather gear in my backpack with me. especially when it's this cold. You wanna take all that. And then tomorrow I'll be camping, pushing through the Shenandoah National Park, and I will resupply once on the other side of the park for the rest of the time through to Harper's Ferry. A couple of things I left behind when I was on spring break is the knee brace. I hope I don't regret that, but it was it was about 8 ounces, and so half a pound. And so I hope I can continue to not have knee pain without it. If I start having problems, I'll just get it back. The other thing is I left my 0-degree quilt at home, and now I have a 20-degree bag, so still a pretty warm bag. And I kept, of course, I have my down jacket. I'll probably never send that back, but I also kept my down pants, and I'm gonna need them. It's gonna be down in the 20s over the next couple of days, and in the past, lower 20s, you just pull out that 0-degree bag and you don't worry about anything. So I'll be much closer to the sort of the lower limits, and I'll probably have to put all my clothes on. But that 0-degree bag, I think I saved about 12 ounces compared to the 20-degree one that I have. So I'm traveling a bit lighter now. So there's one of those hog walls, and Jen was speculating that I guess there's a musical group called the Hog Wallers, that's where that word comes from. There's a little ski resort over there. Looks like they're shut down for the year. I am at Humpback Rocks. That's looking out to the west. That's looking to the north into Shenandoah National Park, where I'll be tomorrow. And looking over to the east. What a beautiful day. Jen has met me here at Humpback Rocks to have lunch, and she has been smitten by the hiking / backpacking bug. So how did this come to pass?
Well, I used to backpack a ton about 20 years ago and before that, and I've just been craving a lot of being outside, and last September I was like, I just need to get out and hike more, and so I've just been doing it a lot and really loving being outside.
All right.
So it's fun to join you.
And she has borrowed the gear of a former thru hiker.
Yep.
So this backpack has thru hiked, which
That's right.
and so you're figuring out the gear.
Yes, I'm definitely figuring it out. I have a couple things, but not much. So I'm really lucky. Squirrel, class of 2022, lent me most of her gear.
All right. And tomorrow night, Jen is going to join me on part of my hike and camp out overnight. And so we're going to be up there in Shenandoah National Park. That's where we'll be, and it's going to be cold, I think.
Yeah.
All right, look at you. I'm jealous. You've climbed Mount Katahdin. You're a thru hiker. I'm just a wannabe.
You want to sit?
All right, so at this point we're hiking together. Jen's doing a circuit back to the car, and then she will meet me at the end of the day. And she's getting to try out the new backpack before we do an overnighter tomorrow night. Okay, this is where we part. Bye, Jen.
Bye, 5 Stack. See you later.
See you at the end of the day.
All right.
All right, I'm heading this way. I'm taking the low road. You take the high road. I have about 6 miles to go. And this section has been pretty flat, pretty mild up and downs. And yeah, turned into a nice afternoon. I'm gonna need some wildflower help, because all you're gonna get out of me is, ooh, pretty. All right, I'm almost at Rockfish Gap. I hear the cars. I thought I saw Jen's yellow car. So 19.5 miles hiked, 20 if you count the Blue Blaze, to Humpback Rocks. Beautiful day all around. Cold start, pretty comfortable now. And so this is where we will pick up in the morning.